24/7 Teachers Training, a lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publishers.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear teacher. In today's video, we will cover the topic of environmental pollution from chapter 4 of Science Grade 5 of Snowman Publishers. The video will cover introduction to environmental pollution, major types of pollution, measures to reduce pollution, fossil fuels, and greenhouse gases. So let's get started with the teaching plan. Greet the students with a smile and ask them how they are. Then start introducing the lesson with a quick recap of what the students already know. Remember to always start building a new lesson upon the previous knowledge of the students. Hence, you may ask them the question like, what is environment? What is pollution? Is pollution an important issue? How? Keep connecting their answers with new questions so that a foundation to the lesson is developed. This will help the students revise their knowledge about pollution. Keep writing their responses on the board. With the help of the textbook, explain to the students what environmental pollution is. Tell them about different kinds of pollutants and how they cause pollution. If multimedia is available, show them a short video on pollutants and environmental pollution. Make a table on the board with 3 columns, light, water, air, and land in them respectively. Divide the table in 2 rows. Label one row as causes and the other as effects. With the help of the textbook, tell the students what is water pollution. Then ask them to identify some causes of water pollution and write these on the board in the respective row. Then discuss some effects of water pollution and note these on the board as well. Repeat this for air and land pollution. After the table on the board is complete, ask the students to identify the common pollutants in all the 3 types of pollution. Then ask them to suggest some ways we can control the causes of pollution. You can also conduct a discussion in the class on how we can reduce pollution. Once the discussion is over, tell the students about the methods of reducing pollution with the help of the textbook. Show the students a video on what fossil fuels and greenhouse gases are. Explain to them with the help of the textbook how they are produced. Explain how they are damaging the Earth's environment and ask them to suggest some ways of reducing the use of fossil fuels. With the help of the students, quickly recap the lesson. Try and make the student participation more. For homework, you can ask students to run a campaign in their neighborhood to raise awareness on effects of pollution and the ways of reducing it. Thank you, Honorable Teacher, for your listening. Allah Hafiz.